Well, currency markets were a bit fidgety today, thanks to Donald Trump. Early this morning, the Mexican peso and Canadian dollar fell quite sharply, and so did the Aussie dollar, after the US president threatened to impose tariffs on imports from Canada and Mexico this weekend. The Aussie dollar dropped on concerns about what Trump might announce next in relation to our biggest trading partner, China. But then people realised, hang on, he didn't actually say anything new. Trump was just repeating stuff that he already said last week. So currency traders breathed a sigh of relief. And now the Aussie dollar is buying 62.2 US cents. Meanwhile, the share market went up by 0.5% today, thanks largely to mining stocks. And it's hit a new record high again. So even though things slowed down a little in the afternoon, the ASX still managed to post a record closing high. And for the week, it's up by a solid 1.5%, as the odds of an interest rate cut next month have increased quite dramatically after those better-than-expected inflation figures on Wednesday. And that DeepSeek AI sell-off in the US earlier this week? Well, that didn't cause much harm here, as we don't really have much of a tech sector in Australia. Overseas, Wall Street went up while markets in Europe hit a new record after the European Central Bank cut interest rates for its fifth meeting in a row. And in commodities, there were big jumps in the price of oil, iron ore and gold. Gold in particular is almost at $2,800 an ounce, which again is a fresh record, which is another sign of how nervous markets are feeling about the US picking fights with its trading partners. And that's finance.